Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world behind the screen, the world of software. Think about it. You click an icon and the program opens, you type a message and it appears on the screen. Software makes your computer come alive. But what exactly is it? Imagine software as a set of instructions, a recipe that tells the computer hardware what to do. It's like the brain of the computer, processing information and carrying out our commands. Software comes in many forms. There are operating systems like Windows or macOS that manage the entire computer system. There are application programs like word processor, web browser, and games that let us perform a specific task. Let's explore some common type of software. System software. This is the foundation, the operating system that control everything from memory management to file system. Application software. There are programs we use to get things done, like creating documents, browsing web, or editing photos. Productivity software. Think word processor, spreadsheet, and presentation tools to help you conquer your task. Creative software unleash your inner artist with graphic design tool, video editing program, and music production software. Entertainment software, games, music player, and streaming services keep us entertained and relaxed. Whether you are tech enthusiast or just starting out, understanding software is key to navigating the digital world. Do you have any question about software? Let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.